This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, December 5th. Stock index futures coming under some pressure today. However, yesterday we did see some new record highs in the S&P 500, NASDAQ, and Dow futures. Jobless claims coming in today at 224,000 when 215,000 were expected. Still looks like the longer-term fundamentals are supportive to stock index futures. And even though futures are a little bit lower this morning, I think we can see a recovery with futures likely to trade higher on the day. Moving over to the currency markets, the dollar index coming under some pressure. This after the larger than anticipated jobless claims report. In spite of this, future still remaining in a 5-day congestion pattern. Overall gains in the greenback since October are being linked to ideas that the U.S. economy will hold up better compared to deteriorating economic conditions elsewhere in the world. We did have retail sales in the euro area declining 0.5% on a month-to-month basis in October. That's worse than a guess of down 0.3%. And the German Economic Institute predicted that the German economy will grow by only 0.1% next year. So it still looks like the fundamentals and technicals are supportive to the dollar, even though we are seeing some pressure today. Still looks like there are lower prices in store for the euro currency and the British pound. And in the interest rate futures markets, we are seeing prices lower across the board. Only a limited bounce off the lows with that jobless claims number coming in a bit higher. Also, we had Fed Chair Powell yesterday indicating that the central bank is not in a hurry to lower interest rates. And we had the release of the Fed's Beige Book yesterday indicating that the U.S. Economic activity expanded slightly in most regions in October, and there is increasing business optimism for 2025. Still looks like the Fed is on track to lower its key rate by 25 basis points at the December 18th policy meeting. However, I believe the Fed will be relatively slow to cut rates next year. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.